I'm going through my expired Etsy listings, and I am working with Everbee and Canva to make my listings better and hope for a better result this time. So these are listings that have not sold in the last, I think it's like 3 months. They've just been sitting in my expired folder. And I'm going to go back through and see if I can improve upon those and see if I can get them to sell. One that stood out to me was this Let's Get Lit crew neck. So I had made the rookie mistake of only including 2 product pictures in my initial listing. So I'm going to expand on that. I added a size chart, which I need to resize for better quality. And then I also added some better mock-ups. I'm probably going to add a few more pictures in here, but now I got to go work on my title on Everbee. So let's head over really quick and do that. So on Etsy, I just searched Let's Get Lit Christmas, and I found one that was similar to my product, not quite exact. So they only have 2 sales estimated per month, but that's 2 more than me. So I'm going to take a look at what they're doing and see if I can improve mine.